Hello everyone and welcome to Gierok Farms. As you can see, winter is back. I am filming this in the end of March. The saying of March coming in like a lamb, it's gonna go out like a lion is holding true. Yesterday we got about 4 inches of snow, and then tomorrow we're supposed to get another snow system coming through and some rain after that. So it's an interesting end of March. For today's agenda, we got to finish up with chores in the barn. Just finished milking, everything's going smooth there. Got 4 switch cows right now, no calves to feed. We're in a spot where we don't have a lot of cattle coming in, which is good when it comes to the labor. And then we have to clean some of those barns out because the weather is supposed to be nice today. So we're gonna take advantage of it and clean up some manure in the calf barn. So then when we get these next couple days of crappy weather, that snow, that sleet, then we don't have to be driving around the yard or trying to haul manure or things like that. Right now I got the wash going, so I'm gonna finish up with that, and then we're gonna get into the barn, get the cows out, get everything cleaned up in there, and move on to cleaning up in the calf barn. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get to work.
Okay, so we should just put 3 here, and then put the one in the feed room. On this side, I'll put 3 and 1. I'll have 1 for outside. They haven't been going crazy over that western hay. There's a little more grass in that. It looks good. It smells good. And I think if there's some of that snow rain coming in, I'm going to put that feeder wagon away.
Okay, we have the barn all cleaned up. Now we're gonna move over to the Youngstock barn, the calf barn, and clean out the small side over there, along with possibly cleaning out the maternity pen too. We were debating if we get some more snow like this, we might need to put chains back on some of these tractors. The only tractor that has chains on it right now is the Oliver, mainly because we don't use it a whole lot regardless, so when we have used it, it's not like we're wearing out chains, versus like this tractor is going down the road a lot. Same with the 7405, so we don't want to wear out the chains running up and down the road when there's no ice or snow. But if this next system is more snow and ice, we might need to put a set on.
Job with it. I got the oil to do the chain. I was greasing everything yesterday too. All right.
Trevor, look out! Get out the way! It's warm enough where the manure shouldn't be frozen. It should be easy enough to scoop up the bedding pack. He's got the calves all locked in the back here, both groups together, and we'll probably end up leaving this bedding pack, but get a lot of that alleyway out of the way. And then the maternity pen up here could use a clean, but it's not quite bad yet to where if we don't have room on the spreader, we'll get it tomorrow. Here are the two brown Swiss twins. You can see the one's a bit bigger than the other one yet, but they both are healthy yet and look very content. Right. So it's good to see they're coming along well. As for the youngest calves, it looks like Dad just made the pen up here a bit bigger. And they can get water over in the corner over there. So this will work out good until we have a cow have a calf. Then we'll need to open up some room again here. Okay, while he's dumping that last bucket from in here, I'm gonna go open up the maternity pen for him. He thinks he can get that on the spreader yet. And then I'm gonna sort these calves off and get some bedding down here for him. Look how excited those calves are to run around and play in that fresh bedding. Some room to run around and play. It's exciting. Stuff's going on. Now that is a load of manure. Yesterday he cleaned out the big side of this barn, the calf barn, and he also cleaned out the bull barn. All the cattle should have nice clean pens for the next couple days. And it was also silage day yesterday, so there's plenty of feed now up here in the yard. All we really have is a bit of hay to move in order to replenish the wagon in front of the bull barn. As for chores later today, we have to get the feeder wagon out of the dairy lot there, especially with this bad weather coming. But we're gonna let them use that up today, and maybe tomorrow we'll have to check again when that system's coming through, if it's later tomorrow or what the deal is, because we have room now in our machine shed slash commodity shed to put that under a roof so that hay doesn't get wrecked. But now Dad, he's bringing the skid steer up here. We're gonna bring some more straw bales down to the calf barn, bull barn. We got some more straw moved over to bed the maternity pen when a cow needs it, along with the small side of the calf barn when their bedding pack gets a little sloppy again. Now we'll move on to getting that manure hauled. So the manure is hauled and we are both back up here in the yard. Man, I really enjoy using that drone. The cows are outside enjoying this nice weather, and hopefully they take it in while it lasts. We have plenty of other projects to do for the rest of the day, but I'm gonna end off this video here. Thank you all for sticking to the end. Remember, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Share, like, comment, all that fun stuff. Also, make sure to check out GierokFarms.com. That's gonna be it, and we will see you all next time.